Hello and welcome back to our channel. Adjectives, as you can see on the top. Now, adjectives is also a part of speech. ग्रामर का एक बहुत important part है. Why important? Because कोई भी बात जब हम किसी को या कोई मैसेज कन्वे करते हैं तो it has to sound interesting. Otherwise, the person listening to us will not pay any attention or he may get bored. So, if we add adjectives to our sentences, they sound more appealing, more effective, and they कन्वे अ मैसेज इन अ बेटर वे. अब इसकी डेफिनेशन जो सिंपल वर्ड्स में है, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच दैट डिस्क्राइब्स और मॉडिफाइज अ नाउन और प्रोनाउन प्रोवाइडिंग मोर डिटेल्स अबाउट इट्स qualities, quantity or characteristics. As you can see in this definition, जैसा कि मैंने पहले बोला, किसी भी नाउन या प्रोनाउन को मीनिंगफुल बनाने के लिए उसकी क्वालिटीज, क्वांटिटी और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को आपको या किसी और लिसनर को समझाने के लिए एक एडजेक्टिव ऐड किया जाता है. ना व्हाट आर एडजेक्टिव्स? देयर आर सर्टेन एग्जांपल्स. सिंपल एग्जांपल्स में समझाऊंगा सो दैट इट्स इजी फॉर यू टू ग्रैब इट. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल व्हिच सेज शी वोर अ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस. इस एग्जाम्पल में एडजेक्टिव जो यूज हो रहा है दैट इज ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द ड्रेस, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ ड्रेस इट इज. अगर मैं सिंपली बोलूं शी वोर अ ड्रेस, it will be hard for you to like it, and also it will be very hard for you to imagine what kind of a dress it is. But if I say she wore a beautiful dress, you will listen more attentively and you will be happy to know it, and you will also imagine what kind of a dress it will be. So to enhance the listener's imagination and to also enhance the listener's interest in whatever you're saying, an adjective is a very important part of speech because it comes in your speech. अब इसके यूजेस क्या होते हैं? दे मेक सेंटेंसेस मोर स्पेसिफिक. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हम 5 लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो 5 becomes the adjective. If we simply say there were people in the ground, you will not be able to understand what I'm talking about. But if I say there were 5 people in the ground, you will understand that it becomes more specific because मैं 5 specific लोगों के बारे में आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. Number 2, answering questions like what kind, which one, whose is it. एडजेक्टिव ऐड करने से एक किसी भी सेंटेंस में इट टेल्स यू व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ नाउन दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, व्हिच नाउन आर वी रेफरिंग टू, एंड whose is it, who does it belong to. For example, she wore a beautiful dress. What kind of a dress is it? It is a beautiful dress. Which dress is she wearing? I can say she wore the pink dress. तो pink is again an adjective और एक specific pink dress के बारे में बात हो रही है. Number 3, whose is it? She wore a beautiful dress. She tells us we are talking about a female. So you know now that we are talking about a girl. So the dress belongs to a girl and not a boy. What are the purposes of adjectives? Number 1, it adds detail. It enhances sentences by providing specific information about people, places or things. Simple enough. Adjective ऐड करने से आपको ज़्यादा स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है अबाउट पीपल, प्लेसेस और थिंग्स जिनके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. नंबर 2, दे प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन सच एज साइज, कलर, शेप, एज, ओरिजिन और मटेरियल. अगर हम बात यहाँ पे करें कलर की, सो इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बिल्डिंग, हम सिंपली कह सकते हैं he is standing behind the building. It will be very hard for you to locate the person if I say he's standing behind the building. But if I say he's standing behind the brown building, color के form में एक adjective add कर दें, it will be very easy for you to locate the person because now the sentence becomes very specific when I use the color brown. Number 3, they make sentences more interesting. Language becomes more expressive, which is very obvious because अगर हम एक ब्लैंड वे में, एक अनइंटरेस्टिंग वे में अगर हम बोल दें किसी भी चीज़ को तो आपको सुनने का मन नहीं करेगा. बट इफ आई ऐड सम एडजेक्टिव्स टू मेक इट साउंड मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, you will be a better listener to me and you will be all ears when I say anything to you. Now, where are they found? Number 1, they are mostly found before a noun. For example, a tall building. building is a noun, and just before that noun you can see an adjective that describes the building. So they come before a noun in most cases, and also they come after a linking verb. Linking verb is nothing but examples are is or seems. The example for this is the building is tall. So what this word is doing, it is acting as a link between the noun and the adjective. So that is why it is called a linking verb. And the example is the building is tall. So what happens here is linking verb के just बाद में एक adjective use होता है. That is the second usage of an adjective. कुछ qualities भी हैं adjectives की. For example, we talk about qualities such as tall, happy. These are just examples. We can say a tall boy, or we can say a happy customer. So we are describing the mood of the customer by adding the word happy, which is an adjective. Quantity, very important. If you talk about a number of people, and if you want to specify how many people were there, you can use this adjective such as many people, few people, 5 people, or 10 dogs, 5 cats, anything. You can number them, and that is why it also adjective also tells you the quantity. Color, very simple: blue, black, orange, green. You can use any color to make the sentence sound more specific, and you can tell them there were 5 buildings, but I am talking about the brown building. So you can add the adjective brown here. Similarly, there are some other examples such as cold, busy. You can say it is a very cold winter day, or you can say the street is very busy. So the listener understands the street that you're traveling or you're walking on. It's a very busy street because you added the adjective busy here. I'm stepping aside for all of you. आप इसका एक screenshot ले लें. Go through this. There are many more examples that you can make using all the adjectives. There are numerous adjectives in the world. You can use all of them. And she wore a beautiful dress की जगह हम ये भी बोल सकते थे she wore the pink dress, or she wore the short dress. कोई भी adjective add करेंगे हर बार meaning change हो जाएगा. That is why it's very important that you add the right adjective at the right place. It comes either uh, as you see here, it either comes before a noun, or it comes uh, as I gave you the other example, it also comes after the linking verb. So ये दो usage होते हैं. So go through this. If you have any doubts, send us the comments. I'll be very happy to answer them. And keep subscribing to our channel, sharing our videos. I hope it was fruitful to you, and it helped you in a way. So until the next video, thank you so much for watching this one.